So here we have been given an array. We have to sort this array using selection sort technique. So the basic fundamental of selection sort is that we have to find the minimum from the given array and we need to shift that to the left. So this is the main basic fundamental of selection sort. So let's see how it will be done. So first we will consider this to be the minimum and we will be comparing it with all the values to check the minimum number that is available. So when we see that the minimum is at -3, so what will we be doing? We will be putting -3 here and we will be putting 2 here. So the new array will become like -3, 0, 1, 6 and 2. So we can see that -3 has reached its final position, and so we will be now swapping only this part. So in this part, when we are checking, we need to check the smallest number. First we will consider this as a smallest number and see if the smallest number available in the rest part. So we can see the 0 is the smallest number only, so there will be no swapping this time. So the numbers will be -3 and 0 and 1, 6 and 2. So now the rest of the array is this, because we see that -3 and 0 is in the correct position only. Again here we will be considering 1 to be the minimum and we will be checking in the rest of the array. While iterating, we see that 1 is the smallest number only, there is no other number which is smaller than 1. So what we can do is just copy the values. There will be no swapping this time also. And now the array is reduced to 6 and 2. We consider 6 to be the smallest, and while checking we see that 2 is smallest and our array is finished already. So there needs to be a swap. So a swap will be taking place here. So the new array will be -3, 0, 1, 2 and 6, and as you can see, this is our final result. So this technique we are able to sort this array. So now this has taken n number of steps, where n is the length, and every time while checking we are doing n it checks. So the time complexity of this technique is same as bubble sort, which is big O of n square. So let us see in the code how we can implement this. So here we have been given this array and we are using 2 for loops. The first one is for iterating through and choosing the first minimum number, and we're keeping the index in this mean position, and every time while traversing each and every element we are starting with the next element, that is when we are considering first element as min, and from the second element we are starting the checking, and when we see there is a minimum number we just keep the index value, and once this iteration is complete we swap it with the minimum index value that has been found using a temporary variable. So in this way we are able to easily swap it at the end of every iteration. So this is how we are going to sort using selection sort technique.